morning it's a chilly start to the day if you haven't yet ventured out. In fact, there's a good 10-degree difference in temperatures this morning in Altnahara compared to yesterday. And today what we're looking at is a cooler day in general. There'll be a fair bit of cloud around. It's going to be mostly dry, but there are some showers at the moment. And those showers currently are across eastern and central Scotland, central and eastern England, and also East Wales. Many of them will fade as we go through the day. We might see a few across the south of England as we go through the day. Best of the brightness across northwest Scotland, but later, as drier air comes in from the near continent, we'll see more sunshine across eastern parts of England. Temperatures 6 to 10 degrees. Now heading on through this evening and overnight, all this cloud is going to evaporate as the drier air continues to filter in. We'll hang on to a bit more cloud across Northern Ireland, so that will help maintain the temperatures here. But for the rest of us, there will be a widespread frost. Sheltered glens in Scotland and across Northern England, temperatures could fall away as low as -4 or indeed -5. And we could also see a little bit of mist and fog forming. But that will lift tomorrow. And then tomorrow, if you like your skies blue and you can see them, well, tomorrow is going to be a stunning day. A lot of sunshine around. And although we start with early cloud across Northern Ireland, that will tend to push westwards through the day, so it will brighten up with a lot of sunshine here too. Gusty winds across the southwest, and temperatures we're looking at 7 to 12 degrees. And if anything, as we go through this week, particularly from midweek onwards, temperatures rise. We could see 17 or 18, maybe even 19. But into the weekend, it turns a little bit more unsettled. Good morning. It's a fairly cloudy day ahead for most of us. There will be some brightness across the northwest of Scotland, and later eastern parts of the country will see some sunshine, but it's going to feel a bit cooler than it did yesterday. I'll have all the details shortly on Wednesday and Thursday, especially so on Thursday. But this morning, do you know what? It is 10 degrees colder in the north of Scotland than it was this time yesterday, but 10 degrees milder in the south of England than it was this time yesterday. And today we're looking at a fairly cloudy day. It's going to be cooler generally than yesterday, and it's going to be mostly dry. High pressure is driving our weather. The air around it moves in a clockwise direction, so we're going to pull in some drier air from the continent. So although we're starting on a very cloudy note, it will brighten up with some sunshine across eastern England later on. But we're starting with some showers across central and eastern parts of both Scotland and England, and also East Wales. Few in the south. Many of the showers will actually ease through the course of the day, and the best of the brightness will be across northern Scotland and later eastern England. Quite a noticeable breeze as well, quite brisk across the English Channel coasts and also towards Northern Ireland. Temperatures today ranging from 6 to about 10 degrees. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, most of this cloud is going to evaporate. It will hang on across Northern Ireland, and under those clear skies, we're looking at a widespread frost. Temperatures could fall away as low as -5 across parts of Scotland and also Northern England. We could also see some patchy mist and fog forming here as well. But that will lift quite readily tomorrow. We still have high pressure, this ridge across us, driving the weather, a lot of dry air. So that means tomorrow for most, it's going to be a beautiful start to the day with a lot of blue skies, and we'll hang on to that through the day. Now for Northern Ireland, you're going to start off with the overnight cloud, but that will tend to push westwards, so the sun will come out for you as well. And temperatures ranging from about 7 to 11 degrees. Moving through the week, you can see how the temperature does rise. Watch the yellows push steadily northwards, more especially across England and also Wales. So on Wednesday itself, we start off on a cold note. There'll be a widespread frost, temperatures having fallen away in some parts to -5 or -6 degrees. There'll be a lot of sunshine, perhaps not quite as much as on Tuesday, and we have a weak weather front coming into the southwest. That's introducing more cloud and also the odd shower, maybe the odd spot of rain. Not much more than that, turning the sunshine hazy ahead of it. But by then, London could have 17 degrees, Glasgow round about 11. Then as we move through into Thursday, well, on Thursday there'll be some mist and fog to lift. Not quite as cold a start to the day. Again, a fair bit of sunshine, but it's somewhere on Thursday where we could reach 19 degrees, even though you can't see it on this chart. And then into Friday, well, we'll see a little bit of rain, but for most of us it'll be dry. Into the weekend, it's going to turn a bit more unsettled. It won't be a washout, but temperatures will be a little bit lower. Sal and Roger.